Is your daily skincare routine just an expensive illusion? If you're investing your time and money in anti-aging products, this is for you. Today, let's uncover why many of these products are a waste, and I'll explain this with 3 key points. Point 1. The financial burden of anti-aging. Consumer reports reveal that Americans spend nearly $50 billion annually on skincare products, with the lion's share focused on anti-aging. Imagine funneling that into a retirement account instead. Over 30 years, even a modest 5% annual return could grow your investment exponentially. Yet the crux of the matter is, why don't these products deliver as promised? A study published in JAMA Dermatology revealed that among popular products, only a small fraction showed any clinically significant improvement in skin texture or elasticity. In fact, the skincare industry leverages aggressive marketing to perpetuate a cycle of hope and disappointment. Remember the old adage, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. It's a cautionary tale worth heeding in the world of cosmetics. The truth is, not all hope lies in a jar, especially when the ingredients in many formulas are often too weak or used in insufficient dosages to have any real effect. Next, we'll look at genuine investment in youthful longevity and say goodbye to dubious claims. People spend approximately $50 billion globally each year on skincare products. Yet studies show that many of these products offer minimal efficacy. For example, one prominent study published in the British Journal of Dermatology found that merely 3% of skincare creams actually improved skin elasticity. When you consider the numbers, that means $1.5 billion of those $50 billion actually give results, leaving $48.5 billion spent in vain. Let's dive into point 2. The over-reliance on anti-aging claims. Many products claim miraculous results, often suggesting they can turn back years, if not decades, of aging. However, research reveals that significant skin improvement can primarily be attributed to only a handful of ingredients, like retinoids and peptides. Unfortunately, not all products have these. One report estimated that only 1 in 5 anti-aging creams that promise results actually include these effective components. That highlights how important it is to sift through marketing noise. Imagine buying a dozen products and only 2 or maybe 3 actually living up to their promise. That's not sound financial sense, is it? Now, point 3, the cost-effectiveness, or rather ineffectiveness, of these products. A study by Consumer Reports found that high-priced anti-aging creams, often costing around $75 per ounce, were no more effective than a plain moisturizer costing less than $10 per ounce. Let's say a consumer allocates $300 annually on these high-end creams. If you're a frugal investor, you might chuckle and think, well, that's like paying cocktail prices for tap water. The real irony is, investing that $300 per year into a diversified fund with a 6% return could potentially yield over $17,000 after 40 years. Such facts urge a re-evaluation of spending patterns. So how should one approach skincare economically without falling for exaggerated claims? Up next is a pragmatic action plan to ensure your dollars spent align more efficiently with genuine results. Point 4. Let's craft an action plan that can set you on the path towards genuine, skin-deep change. Instead of spending hundreds on skincare that may not deliver, consider reallocating those funds towards proven well-being investments. For the next 30 days, create a simple shift in your routine. First, calculate how much you typically spend on anti-aging products each month. Let's assume an average of $200, based on industry reports that suggest consumers spend between $150 and $300 monthly. Next, redirect those $200 into a high-quality sunscreen, a retinoid cream recommended by dermatologists, and a nutrient-rich diet. These have scientific backing for improving skin health and slowing aging signs. Apart from that, invest in a good night's sleep and regular exercise, both proven to enhance overall health and longevity. The key risk or objection you might face is skepticism about the potential returns of this approach. But consider this. Numerous studies have documented that these lifestyle factors can slow cellular aging. Not to mention, they boost mental health and energy levels, which can benefit your career and personal life. Remember, the $200 saved here isn't just vanishing. It's being reinvested in your long-term health. Is your daily skincare routine truly a worthwhile expense or an expensive illusion? By approaching beauty from within, you ensure that the reflection in the mirror is not just a facade, but a testament to true well-being. Subscribe for more insights on protecting your health and wealth.